Hey guys, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, so in today's video I'm gonna show you a nice strategy how you can promote your affiliate products and earn money like professional. And now let's get started. And the first tip here in our today's video, just head over to this website, that is yazing.com. And of course here you can take this Islamic website as one of the best cashback websites out there. And for sure we all know how cashback works, that if you purchase something from this website from different stores, here you can get a percent of what you already paid. So you can get what says cashback reward. And here in Yazing.com, here you can find tons of these stores that you can't believe. And one of the best thing here in Yazing.com, here it gets a lot of different positive reviews on Trustpilot. People are get paid and so on, as you see. So now how we can make money online from Yazing.com and how promote and earn money from affiliate marketing like a pro. Simply and firstly, just you can head over to this button, join now, and here hits up, just you've got to here sign up with your PayPal email, because when you get your payment like on cashback rewards or commission, you will get paid directly to your PayPal account. So you've got to sign up using your PayPal email. So here I just insert my credentials, and here on Yazing.com, after signing in, here you can find in this dashboard different and tons of these stores in this amazing website. And for sure here you can browse any of these niches you're interested in, like for electronics, apparel, health, beauty, gifts, tax services, and much more. Or you can actually sort of these brands regarding this coupon, free shipping, free trials, expiring, and so on. And the best part here in Yazing.com, here you can find amazing brands, just you can believe you can join its affiliate program, because it's hard to join and you can be declined out of different reasons, like you don't have a website or you don't have much more of traffic and so on. But here you can actually promote these brands like a boss, even zero follower, or if you don't have any website. And for sure just work with you in this tutorial and a beautiful strategy to promote these brands like a professional. So here, as I said earlier, you can find different amazing stores and brands, as you see, like the host together, calls, and so on. Or even better, you can actually sort from this category. You can find many of these categories: charity, education, hardware, office, and so on. Or you can easily search for your brand if you have one in your mind. So for example, if I just interested in some pet niche or something, I would like to insert here like pet. Okay, and here you can find tens of these ones regarding your niche and your keyword, like this one, fabulous, entire pets, like budget, else pet, and so on. And the most popular ones here you can find different, like pet keep, pet flow, shameless pets, and so on. And here the kicker here in this Yazing.com, here you can find two options for any visitor to this website. Either you can shop as a normal and regular buyer, then you will get your cashback reward, as you see. It could be 3%, 5%, 60%, as you want, as you see. Or if you want to promote this brand or this store, you will get your commission as an affiliate from this option, promote to earn. For sure, in our case, we are gonna go through this one, promote to earn. So for sure, if you take one of them quickly, and I would like to try something here in our video, so I can go back and look for something else, like for just to go to the category and go to this educational or P2P. So here you can find one of these beautiful ones, like for Udemy, and we all know this amazing platform, Acrons, AliExpress, AppSumo, okay, as you see. So for sure, if you wanna just promote udemy.com using Yazing.com, and here if you just join one of these courses in Udemy, you will get this reward or cashback if you just a student enroll in its courses. Or if you want to promote this brand, you will get also 25% commissions. So here, if you want to promote Udemy, for sure we can head over to this promote to earn, and here you can promote to earn. Just click over this one, and here you can find one of the best things here on Yazing.com that outranks any affiliate programs. Here it gives you these amazing coupon codes and promotion offers that make your visitors and your audience stop scrolling and pay their attentions. Like here you can AI courses up to 85% off, and so on and so forth. So just imagine here you can promote Udemy sale, Udemy offer, and Udemy platform using this exclusive offer. All AI courses up to 85% off. It's amazing offer. So people are going to this offer from your affiliate link, and you will get your commission like a boss. And here you can find an amazing and extra something beautiful in Yazing.com. You don't need any landing page to make your visitors and your audience land on this page you are watching now. It's your landing page. So people are landing on this page, then you will get these different and variety of offers. So they click over this one, shop now, and then will be taken to udemy.com or any brand as you like. And then when they purchase a course or something, you will get your commission, and they will get for sure their cashback reward. I hope you got this idea. So now we can get and leverage these promotional offers, how we can promote these brands in a professional way. One of the best ways to promote your affiliate or digital products here, that you can rely on one of the most beloved social media posts. That is making what's called carousel post. And for sure you can go for different carousel post generators out there. And nowadays I just use that is Remocarousel. Just leave its link down below in the description box in the first comment. And the best thing here, you can use this amazing website completely for free forever. Here if you head over to this website and go to this pricing page, for example, here you can find these plans starting with free plan 2 credits daily. It's free forever and gives you an amazing green background, and export your carousel post in a PDF. Just you can ready to use in different platforms like LinkedIn, for example. And for sure, if you enjoy using this amazing website and you want to upgrade to get more extra features like more credits daily, including emojis and bold formatting and extended slides, deeper contents, and amazing backgrounds, here you can go for Pro Plan or even Premium one. For sure here, if you select this one, Pro Plan, for example, you can get your slides like these with different backgrounds, Premium and Pro ones, with emojis to make your own carousel post more appealing and attractive to your audience. Anyway, just so we can try how we can promote our affiliate products using Remocarousel or making your own carousel post. Simply, we can head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give us a calendar content of 30 days of topics to promote our Udemy brand or Udemy platform using different offers or discount coupons that are aligned with message and coordination and smart loop content. So it's like you can repeat your content over and over again in a professional and hits different aspects and different perspectives. So for sure you can insert this prompt in your style as you want. Like for sure you can just specify 30 day, okay, and so on. And here you can find a table of your content that cover your own one. As you see, amazing calendar and amazing table of this one. These promotes are around your main product you are gonna promote, that is Udemy platform for sure. So here you can actually make your carousel post talking about this topic, and in the last slide you can drop your coupon code that is at the 85% off and so on. So first, sure, how you can do that on Remocarousel to make and create your carousel post. So simply here you can take one of these amazing ones like second topic, okay, copy, and here I just go to this amazing website that is Remocarousel and just sign up for free, and head over to this box, insert your topic like this one. And here, if you are a free user, here you can select this software green, generate your slides, and just in a few seconds here, these like become a social media manager, master digital marketing, freelancer, and so on. These soft skills are income skills. So now go to and download your PDF, and it could be like this one, amazing, for free. And here to customize your carousel post as you want, to add your link in bio, your profile picture, your website URL, and so on. It's better for you to go to these websites, that is pdfescape.com. It's an online free tool to edit your PDF. So here you can go to this one, free online, and here just upload your PDF. Or there is another awesome website to edit your PDF or your carousel post from Remocarousel, that is pdfgear.com. It's online software you can download to your device and completely for free. And the result could be like this on PDF Escape, like this, or like this in PDF Gear. Amazing carousel post as you see. So now it's time to add some call to action, the last slide, for example here, like go to this offer that says 85% off in Udemy courses or AI courses. So now here in PDF Gear, you can head over to this. Then you can go to this add text, select your color, like I'm going to make it black, go there, okay, make it bigger a little bit, and here you can insert anything you want, like AI courses as you see. And for sure you can make it bigger more, like can make it 100 as you see. For sure you can play around it just by changing its color, its alignment, and so on. And here, as for these spaces, you can insert your profile picture, your logo, your some arrows, some illustrations regarding your topic and your niche, like some students, some freelancers, and so on. And for sure you can get all of these graphics completely for free from different websites like this one, carousel.com. It's awesome online platform to get what you want from illustrations, vectors, photos, and so on. For instance, if I would like to search for something like arrow, okay, here you can find tons of these images or graphics. So I would like to make it more like clip art or icons, to be more specific here, like this one. So I can take one of them like this one, download, and go back to our PDF Gear or PDF Escape as you want, like this one as you see. And here, when you're done with making this carousel post, you can actually, it's ready to download and save this one to publish as it is on LinkedIn, for example, or you can convert this PDF to images. Then you can publish these images as a carousel post on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest as you want. And here also in PDF Gear, you can find an amazing extra tool that's making convert these PDF into images. Here you can find something like, and you can find this tool that says screenshot. Here you can make a screenshot of every single page as you see. That's it. Then download one by one to make carousel post images that ready to promote your affiliate offers from Yazing.com without having any website. So that way, and this strategy is amazing and effective to promote any product you want, like affiliate, digital product, and so forth. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.